Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you an application that is going to pay you instant money. I mean instant money for free. So if you have never made money online before with your smartphone, after watching this video today, in the next 3 minutes, you are going to get paid. Just follow all the tricks I'm going to share with you guys in this video. Just this morning, I placed a withdrawal on this application and I was paid for free. All you need to do is to listen to me, calm down, watch this video from beginning to the end, because you're going to earn at least 1 ton, and this update is 1 ton. What you need is Telegram app. If you don't have Telegram, go to Play Store or Apple Store, download Telegram. And then another app you need again is Tongue Keeper app. If you don't have Tongue Keeper, go to Apple Store or Play Store and download Tongue Keeper application. Keep these two apps ready, because these are the two apps you are going to be needing. Please take note, no investment. All you need to do is to mine and withdraw. In fact, withdrawal is fast as flash. Within the space of 2 minutes, the money is going to arrive in your account, in your Tongue Keeper application. Okay, so make sure you're watching this video. But before I proceed, guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share money making updates on daily basis on this channel. So if you're an online hustler or you're interested in making money online, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates on daily basis is to hit on that subscribe button, turn on your screen, and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified with money making updates every day. And then for those of you who will pick interest in joining this platform today, after watching this video, then I am going to be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. For you to gain access to this platform, you have to be in our WhatsApp group. If you are not in our WhatsApp group, it simply means you cannot gain access, which means you can just watch this video, subscribe, and then go away if you're not interested. But if you're interested, the link of this platform has been made available in our WhatsApp group. And then for those of you who are in my WhatsApp group already, please take note. If you are already in my WhatsApp group, if you are in group 1, remain there. If you are in group 2, remain there. If you are in group 3, remain there. If you are in group 4, remain there. Please do not join this one, because you joining is occupying space for others. If you join, others will not see space to join. And if I find out that anyone is more than one of my group, I remove the person permanently. I remove you from the booth. So you are only allowed to be in one of my group. Please take note. I know why I'm saying this. Take note, take note, take note. Okay, so now let's proceed. So this is the application, as you can see here on your screen. The name of this application is Mine. The name of this application is Mine, as you can see here on your screen. So what do you do to make money on this platform? It is very, very simple. It is very, very simple. Before I proceed, let me show you guys my payment proof. Take a look at your screen. That is the money. Check the date. Check the date. That's the money I was paid this morning. This early morning, I just collected this money from this platform for free. Okay? I'm going to share with you guys the tricks which you are going to use. And again, you need to loot. Just 3 accounts is what you need to loot for you to be withdrawing every day, every day, every day, every day. Okay? I have seen the payment proof. Now let's proceed. So what do you do to make money on this platform? There are 3 ways which you can make money on this platform. Number 1 way is by mining. Second way is by doing what? Doing tasks. So the first thing you need to do immediately you sign up is scroll down. This is how your dashboard is going to look like. Scroll down, scroll down. You see all these daily tasks. Come to this daily task here and do it. You can see that any task you do here, you are getting 1 ton. You are getting some percentage of ton. You are getting some ton, not 1 ton. No. And now, if you are able to complete all these tasks and you are able to earn 1 ton, do you know that 1 ton is $3.14? That's the equivalent to 5,000 naira. For those of you who are Nigerians, that's the amount in naira. And again, you will be placing withdrawal every day. In fact, you can even withdraw up to 3 times a day from this platform, as long as you are mining. So how do you mine? It will be automatically mining for you. Click on claim. Click on claim. So you can say that I'm claiming it now. You can see your balance here. So I have claimed it. It has come to here. Can you see it? My balance has updated. So that is it, guys. So you keep mining, keep mining. As you are mining, you are making withdrawal. Please don't keep your money here. This platform can stop paying at any time. That's why I say, as you are mining, you are placing withdrawal. So every day you come to this place here to do task. Make sure you do task. Okay. Now I want to lay a serious warning. Please, if you are watching this video, please do as I have instructed if you are interested in joining this platform, because if you do other way around, Legit Boss will not be held responsible for it. Please take note. Now you can see this place here. They have their mining hash rate here, which you can actually deposit to invest in that one. And now I discourage investment. Please take note. Do not deposit. This is one, what we are after is the free ton that I give you. The free mining own is the one we are after. We will collect it and go our way, nothing more. So we keep collecting it every day, every day. Even if you withdraw money afternoon and night, that is good. You can make a lot of money. What we're after is withdrawing this free money we are mining here. Please take note. Now, for you to withdraw this free money you are mining here, you need three friends. 3 friends is needed. Please take note. Now you can loot. You can create three different Telegram accounts with your different phone number, and then copy your link. Scroll down. You see this option here. Invite 20 friends and get 1 ton. Click on go. When you click on go, you can copy your link from here. So make sure you invite 3 friends. These 3 friends is just one time. This is just the requirement you need to place withdrawal. And then if you cannot loot, you can just invite 3 friends. Once your 3 friends join, boom, you are good to go to place your withdrawal now. Now, to place your withdrawal now, how do you do it? You see this wallet logo here. Click on it. Now your Tonkeeper app is needed. This is now when you need your Tonkeeper app. You will see this place a receiving address. You are going to see set address. I've set my own, as you can see here. You're going to see set address. Okay, you are going to see set address. So once you click on set address, it will automatically direct you to Tonkeeper. Now you are going to associate the both of them. You click on connect. Once you click on connect, your address will be showing here automatically. It will automatically be showing here. Make sure you are having Tonkeeper app. For those of you who don't know how Tonkeeper app look like, look at your screen. That's how Tonkeeper app look like. So download it. Save your secret phrase. Save it somewhere very safe, so you can withdraw it. Now, to withdraw, you just click on withdraw, then enter the amount. You just click on select all, and then you place your withdrawal. As simple as that. So you can now see, for me to withdraw again, I need friends again. But for that first time withdrawal, you need 3 friends. So that is it, guys. You need 3 friends. You'll be placing withdrawal for free, no investment. So you can actually cash out this money now for free, all for free. So as you are mining, you are cashing it out. And like I said, do not deposit. This is warning. What we are after is the mining. This thing is the free mining and free task. So make sure to do all the tasks here. Do all of them. Accumulate this ton here, and then place your withdrawal. As simple as that. Nothing much. So that is it, guys. So, and if you place withdrawal, as you see now, they ask me to invite friends again before I can withdraw free again. So if you place withdrawal and they ask you to invite friends again, you either invite friends again or you loot. So you can loot. This one is lootable. You can clone your Telegram app. You can go to Play Store, Apple Store, download Apple Cloner. You can clone your Telegram app and use it to loot, and then be collecting free ton like this. So that is it, and that is how we are going to keep collecting it until they stop paying. Like I said, if you place withdrawal, within 2 minutes, you are going to see it in your Tonkeeper application, sharp, and then you can convert it to USDT there, and then sell it to Naira. So as simple as ABCD. Then if you have another question, comment below. And then, like I said, for those of you who will pick interest in joining this platform, for you to get access to this platform, you have to be in a WhatsApp group. If you are not in a WhatsApp group, it simply means you cannot join this update. But if you're in a WhatsApp group, then you can actually join this update. Okay, so make sure you're in a WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is in the comment section of this video. And then don't forget, there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, make sure you share it with others so that a lot of people will get to participate, and then all of us will make this money for free. Please take note, it is totally free. As you all see, I did not invest anything, I did not deposit anything, and I was able to cash out this money, this early money. So that's how it is, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparky, aka Legit Boss.